A sudden braking incident on a rain-soaked expressway caused a chain reaction of collisions, resulting in a chaotic pileup. Emergency services swiftly responded to the scene, providing immediate medical assistance and ensuring the safety of survivors. Investigations are underway to determine the factors contributing to the collision, emphasizing the need for caution and adaptability in adverse weather conditions. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of safe driving practices for a secure journey on many especially rainy conditions.